Hello everyone, this is Constantino the broker, and like I was telling you the other day, I was looking at houses on the other panhandle of Florida, which is Jacksonville, Florida. This is a really cute home. As you can see, this is a really cute home. I mean, it has a lot of stuff from I guess when it was originally built in 1995. Um, so, but I wanted to share this with you now. Right now, house is selling for 325, right? Like what your payment would be? Your payment would be 25.29, right, at 7%. Now, if rates go back down again, if interest rates go back down to, they say, next year, to 4 or 5%. What does this mean? That this same house will cost me 1949. So you see that number right here. This is with everything: taxes, insurance, mortgage insurance. Obviously, if you're a veteran, you're talking about almost $200 less, $196, because BA loans do not have mortgage insurance. But if interest rates do go down next year by December, right now they're at 7%, right? That means that right now your mortgage payment will be around $2,500 for a house like this, 325. Now this is based on these taxes, and obviously, I don't know how accurate this home insurance, $114. You got to multiply that times 12 to get the annual premium. So, but you know that insurance right now in Florida is very challenging. So it might be more. This mortgage payment might be more than 25.29 if your home insurance does go up, right? But I wanted to give you an idea of what your payment would look like if rates do go down next year, which is a savings of almost $600, right? 1,900 versus 25.29. Now, if this price appreciates another 10 or 15% in 12 months, which, let's just do it rounded to the nearest whole number, 300,000 instead of 325. If it goes up 10%, that's $30,000. So that means this house would be listed for $30,000 more next year in December. So those numbers will have to adjust. So that is what experts are saying about what's going to happen in the real estate market the next year or so. So I wanted to share this quick video with you guys to give an idea what would be the situation if you guys bought right now at 7%, right? Unless you're a veteran, which you don't have mortgage insurance. Now, what I am seeing in the panhandle, look, this is over half an acre. This is over half an acre, so over 20,000 square feet lot. So it's beautiful. The lot is beautiful. Now, what I am seeing is that in property taxes are lower in Pensacola than they are in Jacksonville, Florida. So this is Escambia County. This is Escambia County property appraiser's office information. So yes, I have noticed that property taxes are lower in Pensacola. So that might be something that might also interest you. Somebody, that's not, like I said, in other parts of Florida, you're going to have a $3,500 mortgage payment. So this is what a house looks like right now at 325 conventional loan with 5% down. I just wanted to share this with you guys. Again, this is Constantino the broker. Follow me on my YouTube channel. And I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Y sí, hablo español. Así que espero que tengan un buen fin de semana. Quería compartir este video rápido con ustedes para que vean la diferencia si compran con el precio de hoy, con el precio del mercado tal vez en un año. Tomando en cuenta que puede subir $30,000, el 10% esta propiedad en cualquier parte de la Florida, aunque si bajan al 4% de interés, los intereses, obviamente este pago bajaría a $1,900, ¿verdad? Pero hay que tomar en cuenta que ya no sería esto el sales price, el home price, pero más o menos esto quería compartir con ustedes qué es lo que puede suceder el próximo año. Ahora, si suben los intereses, van a subir los precios de la casa. Bueno, espero que les haya gustado este video. Como pueden ver, es una casa en más de medio acre, más de 20,000 pies de lote, lindísimo, driveway por los lados, patio para piscina, ahí en Pensacola. Así que quiero que vean lo que pueden comprar por $325,000 en Pensacola. Muchas gracias y tengan un buen día.